Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to stop your Nextdoor email. To stop your Nextdoor emails, first of all open up a web browser and log in to nextdoor.com. Once you get to the home page of Nextdoor, click on the page button at the top left. Once you open up the Your Page menu, click on the credit card kind of an icon at the top right and click on the gear button. Once you're inside the settings menu, click on notifications. Choose the specific notification type you want to turn off and toggle off the button right next to them. Right after you toggle off the button that you don't want to receive notifications for, you will be able to turn off the type of notification that you don't want to receive. If you want to turn off email notifications, then simply go under email notifications and toggle off the button right next to the options you don't need notifications for. And once you do that, you will be able to stop Nextdoor emails notifications. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.